Hi, my name's Angelina, and this is my introduction. I'm from Buffalo Grove, Illinois. It's in the northwest suburbs of Chicago. It's around like 40 minutes away, but I go kind of often, but I still wish I went to the city more because I love it there. My major is currently General English, but I hope to soon be in the English education department because I want to be a high school English teacher when I graduate. Something fun I did over winter break was meet up with girls in my sorority because it was sad, like, seeing them 24/7 and living with them to not seeing them, like, at all because they all live really far from me. So we went to dinner and, like, we went to the Bean and all the classic tourist stuff, so it was really fun. That was my introduction, and I'm excited for the rest of this course.